Ever wonder how some people seem to effortlessly rack up cashback rewards while you're stuck wondering if you're even doing it right? It's like a secret club, and today, we're cracking the code. We're diving deep into the world of KOHO's cashback program. Is it really as good as it sounds? How does it actually work? And more importantly, how can you maximize your rewards? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be a cashback pro. Let's be honest, cashback programs can be confusing. They're often buried in fine print, riddled with exclusions, and leave you wondering if you're even getting a good deal. But KOHO aims to simplify things, and that's what we're here to explore. We're going to break down the program step by step, answer all your burning questions, and give you actionable tips to boost your earnings. First things first, what exactly is KOHO? For those who are unfamiliar, KOHO is a prepaid MasterCard that acts like a hybrid between a debit and credit card. You load money onto your KOHO card, and then you can spend it anywhere MasterCard is accepted. But the magic lies in its integrated app and, of course, its cashback program. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How does KOHO's cashback actually work? It's pretty straightforward, which is part of its appeal. You earn cashback on purchases you make with your KOHO card at participating merchants. The percentage of cashback you earn varies depending on the merchant and sometimes on specific promotions, but it's typically a percentage of your total purchase. This cashback is then automatically added to your KOHO account. No points to redeem, no complicated calculations, just cold, hard cash back in your account. But here's where it gets interesting. KOHO doesn't just offer cashback at a handful of obscure stores. They've partnered with a wide range of popular retailers, both online and in-store. Think of places you frequent regularly: grocery stores, restaurants, clothing stores, even streaming services. These partnerships are key to maximizing your rewards because the more you spend at participating merchants, the more cashback you earn. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that sounds good, but what's the catch? Well, there are a few things to keep in mind. Firstly, not all purchases are eligible for cashback. Certain categories, like cash withdrawals or bill payments, might be excluded. It's always a good idea to check the terms and conditions on the KOHO website or app to understand the specifics. Secondly, while KOHO boasts a wide range of partners, the cashback percentage can vary. Some merchants might offer a higher percentage than others. So, strategic spending is crucial. This brings us to our next point: how to maximize your KOHO cashback. Here are a few tips and tricks to keep in mind. First, familiarize yourself with the KOHO app. It's your best friend when it comes to tracking cashback offers and identifying participating merchants. The app often highlights special promotions or increased cashback rates, so staying updated is key. Second, plan your purchases strategically. If you know you're going to be making a big purchase, check the KOHO app to see if the merchant is a partner and what the cashback rate is. Sometimes, timing your purchases around promotions can significantly boost your rewards. Another way to maximize your cashback is to use your KOHO card for everyday expenses. Think about it: groceries, gas, coffee, these are recurring costs. By using your KOHO card for these everyday purchases, you're consistently earning cashback, even if it's a small percentage. Over time, these small amounts can add up to a significant sum. Now, let's talk about the different types of KOHO accounts. KOHO offers different tiers, each with varying features and benefits. Some tiers might offer higher cashback rates or additional perks. Understanding the different tiers and choosing the one that best suits your spending habits is crucial for maximizing your rewards. Do your research, compare the features, and choose wisely. One of the things that sets KOHO apart is its transparency. They're upfront about their cashback program, and they make it easy to track your earnings. The app provides a clear breakdown of your cashback, so you always know how much you've earned and where you've earned it. This transparency is essential for building trust and ensuring that you're getting the rewards you deserve. Now, you might be wondering how KOHO makes money if they're giving away cashback. Well, like other financial institutions, they generate revenue through transaction fees. However, these fees are typically paid by the merchants, not the cardholders. So, you can enjoy the benefits of cashback without worrying about hidden costs. Another important aspect of KOHO's cashback program is its simplicity. Unlike some other programs that require you to jump through hoops to redeem your rewards, KOHO automatically adds the cashback to your account. This seamless process makes it easy to earn and enjoy your rewards without any hassle. So, is KOHO's cashback program worth it? In short, yes. It offers a straightforward and transparent way to earn rewards on your everyday spending. By understanding the program's mechanics and implementing the tips we've discussed, you can significantly boost your cashback earnings. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about making your money work smarter for you. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the basics of KOHO's cashback program to advanced strategies for maximizing your rewards. We've explored the different tiers, the participating merchants, and the importance of using the KOHO app. We've also debunked some common misconceptions and highlighted the program's transparency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.